Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're embarking on a flavorful journey into the heart of Thai cuisine. We're going to dive deep into one of Thailand's most beloved dishes, Goong Tod. But we won't just be talking about the basics. We're here to uncover some lesser-known facts that will make you appreciate this dish even more. So, grab your apron, because by the end of this video, you'll be craving a plate of delicious Goong Tod. We're in the kitchen today, and we've got all the ingredients we need to make this mouth-watering Thai dish. Goong Tod, or Thai fried shrimp, is a popular Thai appetizer that consists of succulent shrimp coated in a crispy, flavorful batter. These golden fried shrimp are a favorite in Thai restaurants worldwide, and for good reason. During this time, Thai cuisine began to flourish, and Goong Tod emerged as a popular snack among the locals. One of the secrets to making incredible Goong Tod is the batter. It's not just any batter, it's a perfect blend of rice flour and cornstarch. This unique mixture gives the shrimp a delightful crispy texture that's hard to resist. Now, here's a secret ingredient that's not so commonly known: baking powder. Yes, you heard it right. A small amount of baking powder is added to the batter to make the Goong Tod extra crispy. Another interesting aspect of making Goong Tod is the technique used to prepare the shrimp. Chefs often butterfly cut the shrimp, which involves splitting them partially along the back to create a butterfly-like shape. This not only makes them look elegant but also helps them cook evenly. Alright, let's talk about the ingredients you'll need to make Goong Tod at home. Ingredients: fresh shrimp, usually large or jumbo. Rice flour. Cornstarch. Baking powder. Salt and pepper. Water. Cooking oil, for frying. When it comes to selecting the right shrimp for Goong Tod, size matters. The larger the shrimp, the better. To achieve the best flavor and texture, it's essential to use fresh, high-quality shrimp. Whether you're buying from a seafood market or a grocery store, always go for the freshest option available. Now that we know all these intriguing facts about Goong Tod, it's time to get cooking. Let's walk through the step-by-step process of making this delectable Thai dish. Start by peeling and deveining the shrimp, leaving the tails intact. In a mixing bowl, combine the rice flour, cornstarch, baking powder, salt, and pepper. Gradually add water while whisking until you have a smooth, thick batter. It should be thick enough to coat the back of a spoon but not too thick. Dip each shrimp into the batter, ensuring they're evenly coated. This is where the magic begins. That crispy coating is what makes Goong Tod so irresistible. Carefully place the coated shrimp into the hot oil and fry until they turn golden brown. This usually takes about 3-4 minutes. In Thailand, cooking is seen as an art form, and the visual appeal of a dish is just as important as its taste. That's why Goong Tod is fried until it reaches that perfect golden hue, making it as visually appealing as it is delicious. Once they're beautifully golden, remove the shrimp from the oil and place them on paper towels to drain any excess oil. Then, it's time to serve. Goong Tod is often served with a variety of accompaniments and dipping sauces. Here are some popular options. Fresh lettuce leaves. Use them as a bed for your Goong Tod. Fresh herbs, mint, cilantro, and Thai basil add a burst of freshness. Thinly sliced cucumbers. They provide a cool contrast to the heat of the shrimp. Sweet chili dipping sauce. This adds a sweet and slightly spicy kick. Lime wedges. Squeeze them over the shrimp for a zesty finish. In Thai culture, dining is a communal experience. Sharing dishes like Goong Tod with friends and family is not just about food, it's about bonding and togetherness. Thai cuisine is known for its perfect balance of flavors: sweet, sour, salty, bitter, and spicy. Goong Tod embodies this balance with its crispy exterior and succulent, slightly sweet shrimp inside. While we've covered the classic Goong Tod recipe today, it's worth mentioning that there are several regional variations of this dish in Thailand. Some regions might add their unique spices or ingredients to make it distinctly their own. Goong Tod has transcended borders and become a global favorite. You can find it on the menu of Thai restaurants in nearly every corner of the world. And there you have it, Goong Tod, a delectable Thai dish with a rich history and a world of flavors. We hope you enjoyed this journey into the unknown facts of Goong Tod and that you're inspired to try making it yourself. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more culinary adventures from around the world. Until next time, happy cooking!